Yes, so my people are saying another good morning tonight. Another better sunshiny morning with this. Straight away, I don't go one waste time because of the segment we'll get for now this morning. My own name is Papa Jojo. And this morning, I get guests where they join me. Where you name now? Israel. What do you get for now this morning? Another better day. Or top channel 195, start time, fitness, what? Naija, the ground floor power work training program for your thighs, calf muscles, and your abdomen, which is your stomach. So, as we go, I want to let you know that most of the program we will give now this morning, now tightener program, tuner program, to help you firm your thighs and your calf muscle, including your stomach. So, as we go this morning, just waiting, they follow us, go straight away. As my guests, they take on, they count.
5,
6, now 8, 8. 7. Now you follow this morning. 8. Change. 1, yes, 2, like that. 3, 4, 5. You see as you do and go, it did tough,
7.
but you don't go give up. Change, like that. 1, now so you flow. You go be like say it did hard. You go be like say you feel some tickling pain.
5.
But you don't go give up. 7, now both side now. Now single leg both side. Change. Yes, you only change like that. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another round 8. 1, 2. You don't go give up. 3. It did tough.
4.
Yes. Your stomach, they feel them. Your thighs, they feel them. Your calf muscle, they feel them.
8.
Yes. 1. Again. 2. 3. It did hard.
4.
After your last 8, you will do the double leg. 7, 8. Now, double leg. 1. Now, gently. Not do it anyhow. Let people feel the impact. Yes. Weigh your count.
5.
My viewers, where they there? 6. You see, say they tough. 7. Then 8. You can't go over. Like say one turnover. My people, where they there, you need to do this one. In every exercise level where they do. Where they there, where they watch us. Just make sure, say, all this one, you need to do them. Because it is very, very important. According to Abdomen language. And when you do them, now the whole of your back, to your clavicles, to your shoulder point, now you go feel the impact of this stretch. And wait till the work, it will help you loosen out every stiffness and tightness where they all around the spine point and your back side, the upper back point. So it will help you loosen that up and you go feel at home. Say, yes, your muscular point, shoulder area, you don't do it, you don't do stretch back. So, meanwhile, well, as you don't come back, you go hold on now. See the way you go carry your hand like this. 1, 2, you got to follow. 3, like that. 4, now 8, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Now put your hand like this. You go come. 1, you go drop and down. Go. 2, where you count. 3, you don't go give up. 4, like that. 5, you go put your leg together. 6, 7, then 8 up, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you can't sit down to stretch. Yes, my people, I really want to appreciate now for this special time when I don't spend with us on top channel 195. Remember, so Iboma Tor say, no pain, no gain. Another Iboma Tor say, practice make perfect. So, now here we're going to pack our own load, the ten and say, bye-bye. But before we're going to come out from inside this special area, they come out the ten and say bye. Making I not forget, say, on I watch this special fitness, Good Morning Nigeria, Wazobia program on top channel 195. Start time. Until tomorrow, until another day, until next time, me I remain the Holy Papa Jojo, and me and my guests will return and say, bye-bye, see you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.